What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and the R32 back here with another video. It's the next day. I'm happy Monday for you guys that are watching this. We are gonna be working on the R32 today. So first stop is gonna be cleaning up this mess and seeing how bad this looks, basically with a whole chunk of my quarter panel missing. Let's get all this stuff down and see what we got. Once again, I think my prep skills here were immaculate. Like you can't beat this with a stick. Hit me up for your prep work needs. Check that out, baby. Ooh, nice and crunchy. Bro, I don't know if this car just like refuses to be done, because that's what it feels like. It feels like it does not want to be finished, or if it's like, hey, let me just create extra work for you so that it'll turn out better in the long run. I hope it's option B, honestly, and that's what I'm gonna go with. But sometimes it really feels like option A. All right, I would just like to say huge shout out for Max for the shirt. I appreciate it. This is the first time I've worn it in a video. I was supposed to wear it like a while ago and then I just forgot, but thanks. Let it be known for anybody out there, if you want to send me something, a shirt, some stickers, an RB25, whatever it is, just DM me on Instagram, we'll figure something out. We're supposed to be going to check out an RB240, or two of them, I don't really remember. He stopped responding. So, no RB240 for today. We get RB 4-door for 240. RB 4-door 240 for today. Y'all remind me to order one size tire up, because I did the whole Sudani thing once and I'm not really trying to do it again. I will for sure run these into the ground before getting new ones, but please just remind me. I don't know if y'all are on TikTok much, but if you have seen the TikTok of Timothy the cat and his adoption photos, that song is stuck in my head. The Conflores, whatever it is. I'll just be walking around the garage singing that because it's stuck in my head. Like, how? Tell me how the hell that dude is not adopted yet. He better be. He better be. Conflores. See, look, you guys can't really notice it over there. Ready? Look, it's not even that noticeable, dude. It's not even that noticeable. Like, it's there, but it's white now, so we're good. It's basically fixed. Today we're gonna be tossing on my Gktech mirrors. We're also probably gonna take off the rear bumper cover and kind of get the car ready for body work, hopefully starting tomorrow or Sunday. So I've never installed mirrors. These are power mirrors, which I'm gonna miss. That's pretty cool, from 1992, but it should just be popping off this little piece, taking off a couple screws, unplugging whatever, and going from there. This car is about to get really ugly really fast over the next couple days, couple weeks, month time. The kit's gonna get here, it's gonna look great. So to get a little bit more room, I discovered there's this little screw. Hopefully this will loosen it up a little bit. Oh yeah. We have mini car, little RC car. Ryan just hit the lamp because he can't reverse. But yeah, getting help with the mirror install. Y'all ready to see my crunchy quarter panel?
Yes. Yeah, I've been waiting for this moment for years.
Isn't that nice? Mm. Yummy. Yummy. That's all metal. The rest of it is like right here.
So you didn't know it was like that? Is the other side like that?
No, thank God. All right, I know it's about a storm, but we're gonna keep it moving. We're popping off this little rubber piece, which is gonna allow us to pop off this trim piece that hides the bolts to the mirror. Just like that, little piece is out. Now we got a couple 10 mil. I don't know if we'll be able to reuse this hardware or not. All right, it's raining, we gotta go inside. And just like that, our mirror is loose. I don't know how to unplug it, to be honest with you. We're switching mirrors. We're not gonna need the power. Just bear with me here. It can be rewired one day if we ever chose to. Also, rip the glitter mani. Shout out Gray for this thing. Gray, for watching this right now, I would really appreciate another glitter mani. Tag Gray. So the mirrors come in two pieces. There's the mirror and then the plastic trim piece kinda. We got a couple screws to attach the trim piece to the mirror, and then the final screws to attach the whole assembly to the door. 3-piece wheels, 2-piece mirrors, you know what I'm saying? All right, step 2. Now that those are together. Now, once you get the mirror lined up on the back side with the trim, you can go ahead and start putting in the screws that actually hold it to the door. One mirror is on. That was a nightmare and a half, believe it or not. Now we can just pop this little trim piece back on and we shall be good. There we go. One in a row. How's she looking? She looking pretty swag. Honestly, she looking pretty swag. Alright y'all, and just like that, our second Ganador rep mirror is on. Personally, I love the way these things look. I've seen in a couple videos where they say these aren't the most practical, but I got in and I moved it and I could see behind the car, so that's a win in my book. Obviously cannot wait to get them painted. Yeah, that's about it. Let me know, do you guys rock Ganadors? Do you guys like these? You guys a fan of these? Obviously it'll look 10 times better when they're the same color as the car. That was honestly one of the most frustrating installs I've had in a minute. You guys ever have those days where you just keep bonking your head, or you like fumble everything you try to touch, like holding a screw or like trying to line up the screw? Bro, it was a nightmare and a half, but it's done. The second mirror literally took all of 10 minutes. And the first mirror was definitely a learning curve. I don't have too much else for y'all today. I definitely will be filming over the weekend, hopefully dive into some body work and finishing up what we need to. So if you guys could do me a favor, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you guys have not yet done so. And if you guys are a fan of the channel, be sure to tell one friend, one buddy about the channel as well. This has been Fitz Miller in the R32. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great night. I have left this mat outside for probably like a week and a half, 2 weeks now. Every single time. The only reason it's out here is to dry, and every single time I go to check it to see if it's dry, it's raining. So here we are, the 4th time I've tried to dry this thing, and it's raining.